Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add photos into your notes on the Beer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select an already existing note if you would like to add a photo to it, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Now if you have added your note, all you have to do is tapping on this camera icon down below or in the middle of the screen, which is the first option. Now you can choose whether you would like to insert an already existing photo from your gallery. Then if you want to do this, you need to tap on the second button, Image Library. So you will be ready to choose from your gallery. But you can also take a picture right away with your phone. Just simply tap on Camera and now take a photo and then press the button Use Photo. So now your photo has been inserted into your note. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.